Welcome back to Chesil Beach Holiday Park. I'm Vinny, and today we are checking out this beautiful Pemberton Regent. But first, I want to show you where we are, because this is perfectly located, the facilities, other things around. Starting off, we have the restaurant and drinks terrace area, a beautiful spot to sit out in the sun and relax. And on the other side of the building, other leisure facilities, including the pool, gym, and sauna. Across this side, just down this road, we're going to jump ahead to the gates to access the Southwest Coastal Path. Come and take a look. And just behind me is the Southwest Coastal Path, a beautiful link to the South Coast. Beautiful walks and views as you head out. Now you have seen the area around the holiday home, let's take a look inside. As we step through the door of the Pemberton Regent, you're greeted by a nice open space. It's a really big kitchen, fully equipped with everything you could need. On the right hand side, we've got the oven, grill and hob with the extractor above, your sink of course, and a full-size dishwasher. Above this is your built-in microwave, and across from the kitchen is your dining table and 4 chairs. A nice space to sit together as a family. Coming through your sliding pocket doors, we're into the lounge space. What's really handy about these doors, it allows you to close off the lounge, which creates another bedroom with this pull-out sofa bed, or just a cozy space for the evenings. There's loads of storage in this lounge, freestanding furniture, which is really comfortable and just a great space to relax. Across from your sofa, you've got a built-in fireplace with a point for your television above. Also, just to note, each of our holiday homes come with a brand new 42-inch smart TV, along with a full bedding and inventory pack. As with all Pemberton holiday homes, they are built to a really good standard and quality. With this particular one, it's built to residential specification, which means it's packed with insulation, perfect for winter stays or summer stays to keep that heat out. Through your dividing door, we come to the back half of the holiday home. Your first door on the left will be the twin bedroom, and these have stowaway beds, meaning you can tuck one bed under the other and have lots of space in there. You can push the beds together, create a double, or have it set up as a twin, like we do now. You have loads of storage in here also, and a television point. Coming further down the hall is your family shower room. Inside of here is a large walk-in shower, basin, more storage, and the toilet. And finally is your master bedroom. First door on the right is your own ensuite toilet, and then we come through to the bed. It's a really cozy and inviting space to unwind during the evening. Across from your bed is your vanity area, and you even have your very own walk-in wardrobe. If you have been searching for a quality holiday home in a fantastic location, this Pemberton Regent might be for you. To find out more, give us a call on 01 305 836 836, or just click the link below.